YouTube, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Matt. We back with another video. First of all, I gotta thank everyone who's been liking, subscribing, sharing the content. Truly appreciate it. I'm trying to get back focused, get back to dropping more consistent videos. No day is better than to start than today. So we have the women's Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. The color is white and border blue. First of all, y'all know I love red, so the box is definitely a go. I know people don't care about the box. When you take the top off, it's pretty dope. Very fire paper on the inside. Again, I know that doesn't keep most people happy, but I like little things like this. And what we have today, oh, this is a beautiful shoe. Like I said, we got the Jordan 1 High women's drop, the Denims. I'm calling them the Denims. Don't know if that's the official name, but I love this shoe, man. The distressed denim is crazy. The leather is fire. I love the red laces. That's always a plus. Like I said, my favorite part of this shoe might be the little hints of distressed denim. You see them right there. Around the Jordan, Jumpman, something with a Jordan sign, the logo. This is the nice touch with the little Jordan earring. That's fire. And on this one, we have the Jumpman logo. Where is that? There we go, Jumpman logo. Nike hang tag. The insole, I'm not taking it out, but it's red with gold Nike Air. Nice. This is a very solid shoe for the ladies. Ladies don't get much love, but this year Jordan brand has been showing them love. This is a nice solid shoe for the ladies, fellas. Let the ladies eat this one. This is dope. I don't want to see too many of y'all out here with these Jordan 1 denims on. I got a couple homies with a foot small enough to fit in them. So I am hating because I do like this. That's pretty much it. I hit on this early release last week on sneakers. They came in today. They got released today. Which I have a problem with. Like, why are y'all releasing shoes on Thursdays now? This could have been definitely a nice Saturday pickup. For those who did not get a pair, if you wanted a pair, these aren't reselling for much. And I'm pretty sure because of the fact that they dropped today, a lot of people might have missed out on their drop. So check out your local sneaker stores. Might be able to pick it up. Again, this is a fire colorway. I'm really feeling this shoe. Let me know in the comments below. Did you like it? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Did you even attempt to go get it? This is fire. Ladies, I hope y'all do these some justice. I can't wait to see how people are rocking these. But again, I want to thank everyone for the continued support. Please continue to like, share, subscribe to videos. Follow me on Instagram at Samson_Matt_. Just did a little 31-day sneaker challenge there. Go check that out for me for last month. Again, thanks for the support. Till the next video.